Hey everybody, and warm welcome to the wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit. With the help of this video, I'm going to talk about the much awaited information which I think I've never ever had in my entire YouTube channel, and the context is with the American Express restoration policy. People, those who have lost their credit limit to American Express owing to various challenges, issues, and XYZ, blah blah blah, whatever it may be the reason, after a very long time, I've got a concrete video and resolution, which if you implement and use in your day-to-day activity, if you want to restore your lost American Express credit limit, you may get successful. Now, all these pointers, there are 5 points I'm going to share with this video, and all these important pointers I'm sharing with the help of one of my existing subscribers. Of course, I won't reveal the name because the name is confidential, but these are practical tidbits which this gentleman has applied, and after doing all these things, he has restored his limit. Let's say from initially he was given a limit of 195k, and then it came to 127k, and now the limit got restored. How, what happened, what's the entire process, I'm just going to share and reveal to all of you. Now, before we do that, a quick request to all of you. I normally don't ask people to hype my videos or subscribe my videos or hit the bell icon and stuff and blah blah blah. But on this video, I would request you all to please hype it so that this can be reached to the maximum individuals and people, those who've got a lot of suffering with credit limit loss and all those things, they can apply and get it back for their specific credit card. Point number 1. Why the heck American Express is reducing the credit limit of existing credit card for a lot of people? Now, the basic reason which American Express gives to people is their unwanted credit which they have on either from personal loans, home loans, car loans, and mortgage. These are the primary reasons why American Express normally reduces your credit limit on a particular existing credit card. That's number 1. Number 2, the reasons what they normally share when it comes to reducing your credit card limit. Now, technically speaking, there has to be a proper notification which American Express should share with the existing credit card subscribers. But on the contrary, what they're doing, they're not giving any ultimatum to XYZ that we are going to review your credit usage and blah blah blah, and without giving any credit notice to anybody, they end up reducing. And when they reduce the limit on XYZ blah 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 rate, they write an email saying your credit limit has been reduced with no proper justification. Point number 3. What kind of explanation they give to people when people connect and kind of contradict them and challenge them? The basic question which people have faced over credit review limit is this. They say your usage and the kind of liabilities you have on a CIBIL score is more than the salary of yours or more than the business of yours. That's a common agenda people have been getting from American Express without due justification. So to contradict this, to probably challenge this, what you should be doing. Point number 1, get in touch with American Express credit review team. I'm not talking to you for a normal customer care. They do not have power, they do not have authority to reduce or increase the limit unless until you have a pre-approved offer. But if you want to do something called a massive changes to credit limit, you must get in touch with American Express and request them to connect with credit review team. And these gentlemen are only available from 9 to 6 on Monday to Friday. That's the entire span they sit, and they are very very polite to talk to. Let me just assure you on that bit. Talk to them, give them justification, and ask them the solid reasons why they have decreased the limit of your credit card. If you find the reasons which I've already shared, tell them that you're going to share the CIBIL score, the CIBIL score ultimate downloaded CIBIL format under PDF file from CIBIL India, the latest one to them, showcasing the number of times you have made the payment on a particular credit card of American Express, whether it's minimum or in full, whatever. That is not a matter of concern. The matter of concern is, have you made the payment on time without any delay on most of the American Express credit card payments, whether it's a charge card or even a credit card. So give them proof and tell them specifically that you have never ever misused any let's say undue advantage of American Express. Proof with the help of PDF file downloaded via CIBIL India subscription. That's number 1. Number 2, you also need to get in touch with so-called the email. So write an email to Amex Credit Review System and ask for justification I beg your pardon, ask for justification and ask them to explain the reason why you are not getting the credit limit what you should be getting, and they have no right to justify that you deserve a less limit, right? Number 3, ask them and give them ultimatum that if it is not restored, you are definitely gonna go ahead and close the American Express credit card, because when you go for a card like Platinum Travel, Platinum Reserve, and any American Express credit cards, it is very heavy to use. They have a high profile fee structure. So if you're paying high profile fee structure, if you're paying payment on time, they generally should not have an option to reduce the existing limit on your particular credit card or even a charge card if you have not done anything hanky panky. Well, that's all I have for you in this particular video. I hope my video is going to help and make some difference. And normally when you raise all these questions, they will come back to you with an email, and probably 3 to 4 days will take to restore your credit card limit. This has been done with multiple cases within my subscriber base, and off late yesterday I got one more notification. So I'm making these particular video based on true practical scenarios. Otherwise I had no answer to this question of how to restore American Express lost credit limit. Till we meet again, you take care and thanks for watching.